Hey, what's up guys? This time I have when I want to build a computer and buy it, not a pre-build. I'll choose like the sockets. M5 is the better. Maybe LG Intel. I feel like M5 because the AMD is more, how I'll say it, more focused on gaming than multitask on workstations. If I was like for a workstation, maybe I'll choose like i7 this or what, Intel 9 49K. M5 I'll choose like this. So it's a 8X3D. In some shops that is like less, like what, 30-40 euros, depend of the store. Can get it like less than 100. Also this 17X can like compare on YouTube also. Let me see, like I think this, like the FPS, like 400 less, just like 10-15 less each FPS. Oops. Then like even the 100 less, like to save money. You can always go to YouTube and compare the CPUs or graphics card. Oops. Now I want for the graphic, this AMD Asus like never fails with plus Wi-Fi, or can reduce to by more than 200. On the motherboard is like nah, 150 max on the motherboard. At 80, start like with Wi-Fi, Asus, RAM. Have this Corsair 600 megahertz. Click here. CL for AMD and XMP for Intel. So you get the max value at the 600. You need to boot it on the board, on the BIOS, to turn on. Now the case, you need to be careful. It cannot be too tiny, so doesn't fit the graphics card. Imagine like, let me see, forged material. For example, you go here, ATX. ATX is the size, micro ATX, mini ATX, and ATX is the size of your motherboard. When you want to buy it, to be careful also. The where VGA GPU 300, the size, the capability of the 380. I think this is enough. 120 for the water cooler IAO. 120 on the upside if you want to put like, superior 350 like here. Okay, put like 3 here and on this space on B. IO without the RGB, maybe 66. All black, but with like this, maybe this with RGB, whatever. Also forging. PCU, all these like gold. Need more than 1,000. A50 modular and semi-modular. Semi-modular, you can take out the cables from your PCU like those. Like modular, can take out all the cables. Semi-modular, like all attached in one, like this, or full. Let me see, gold. Like more, at least 100, like on the price. Gold plus A50. If I want the graphics card more potent, I need to change the PCU. But it's like 110, like it's a good price. It's already 1K. Poof. Not the graphics card. This is like overpriced, honestly. But like what's price? 570 Ti. There's a 970 XT OC. OC means overclocked already from the fabric. Depends. It's more like a taste thing. Like the AMD is like cheaper for gaming. You can also use like the NVIDIA 57 Ti, but it's more like 300 euros. Like I think the price. Let me see the price. Maybe on this price, maybe. This is too much. 590. Like nope. Overprice for a computer like this. Like see the prices. Like same performance, almost double the price. Of course, NVIDIA is better if you want to edit, record. Helps a lot more than AMD. AMD was weak because of the drivers. Now they have good drivers, so it's okay to buy it. Cheaper and same performance. If you want, and just because it's NVIDIA, like pay like 200 more for the same performance. Now here SSD, you can choose 1 tera, 2 teras. Can see the velocity. Go down. Read megabytes. This is fast, so I'll choose this. Like 2K basically. It's more for a 2K prof PC. high performance. You don't need better than that. Oh, and the RAM OCL30 for the latency to go faster also. What do I miss? System operative, like it's like you don't need to buy it. If they don't give you already just to install, you can do like for a pen Windows site, like pay 100 for a Windows, like too expensive. If you want chairs, monitors, you can buy. Now I'll try a cheaper one. This is at 2K.